Hi, I'm Tom with Suburban Shop. I'm here to show you how to get into your crate engine. You buy a new crate engine from Chevrolet Performance here at Suburban Shop. We'll show you how to get in. There's 4 bolts around the perimeter of the crate. We'll loosen up the 4 bolts and then lift the top off the box. Thanks, Rob. And we've got our engine inside. This is a 357 horse engine. And it comes out of the box looking just like this. So there'll be 4 bolts holding the engine to the crate. Take the 4 bolts up, lift it up with your engine hoist, ready to install. Thanks for spending time with us today. We're in the powertrain warehouse. Stop by and say hi. See you around at Suburban Chevrolet.